Are you tired of feeling ugly?
Yes!
Are you tired of feeling like gas?
Yes!
Diamondust mineral powder is 100% organic and considered a 2-in-1 with zinc oxide to help clear acne.
You might doubt how precious Diamondust is. Well, take it literally. We've sanded literal diamonds into your complexion. Define beauty. Define you.
Today I have a guest here with us, and she is going to try the Diamondust powder we were talking about.
So what does this do for my complexion again?
It helps clear skin with acne with the zinc oxide, and it hides your dark circles.
Oh, that's interesting. I'm so annoyed. I just spilled this powder in my food.
Want to go zero waste?
Yes.
We'll never let Diamondust enter your bloodstream again. It is completely edible, so go right ahead.
Alright, here we go.
And Diamondust tastes like blueberries. Not only, but it has an SPF of 50 and higher, so now you can go and prevent cancer in style.
As soon as I felt Diamondust on my skin, I knew there was some purity to it. Every time I spilled Diamondust in my food, it tasted better. Diamondust is so cheap. Get yours today at 1-800-DIAMONDUST or diamondust.com.
To ensure you have a fresh look directly from the mines, shipping and handling are only $9.99. That's right, only $9.99 for Diamondust!
Call 1-800-DIAMONDUST to get yours today. And this can be yours for just $25. That's right, Diamondust for only $25.
Define